Good afternoon, everybody, or good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on a Friday, April the 21st. Tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 3-box break. It is one of the Gold Rush autographed football jerseys from 2017, one of the Hit Parade autographed football jerseys from Series 15. That would be box 33. It is also one of our boom boxes. That is a product exclusive to our channel. We let the customers pick which box they want from a stack of 3. They picked box A, so that is what we are going to break. We did random team sales, as you can see on the far left there. We have already randomized both teams and customers. We then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them a whole bunch of time to trade, had a lot of trades going on, had got all of it figured out. We got all of it entered. I hate that loud cellophane, but I love their seals because, as we all know, it is Bobby. Pop, pop. Here we go. Well, I think someone gonna be happy they may not have traded that team away, folks. I really love these colors. I love Carolina's colors, guys. That there, it has a great sig on that baby. That there is a Kelvin Benjamin. A Kelvin Benjamin. He was trying to trade that baby away. He tried hard, too. That there is a custom, folks. Well, let me grab a marker. And W. Alright, that's going to take care of our Gold Rush box. Now we move on to box 33, which is our HP box. Let us see what this baby yields for us. Really like the colors of those Carolina jerseys. I said another one, just like the Ravens. Never did much for me on TV, but when you see them in person, they're really nice. All right, y'all are going to hear the pop of your HP seal. Oh, wow, guys. Y'all know who that is, I think, don't you? That there is a Mr. Ocho Cinco. That is a Chad Johnson, folks. Mr. Ocho Cinco. Yep, and it is also a Reebok. Yep, not a Nike, folks. This one is one of the Reeboks, man. Yep, some of these are really great as well. Very, very, very nice jersey that there is going to be a Bengal hit. But a Scorpio is going to take that baby home. Very, very, very nice. Ocho Cinco. Again, got all the tags and such on her. Let me get that baby back in the bag. I have no idea. I think it says 9/11. 9/11, maybe? I don't know why it would say 9/11. That is Philly. Alright, moving on to our boombox, folks. Again, we let the customers pick between the stack of 3. They selected box A. Let us hope they selected correctly. Slice through that seal. Well, again, I love this jersey, guys. I know it's not the highest end hit for you all, but I just don't understand how you guys cannot love the Mr. Nigerian Nightmare, folks. I hate these damn bags where they tape these up like this, but it is a stats jersey as well, folks. Love that. Says the Nigerian Nightmare on it. Very, very, very nice jersey for y'all, folks. Nice, nice, nice Okoye. Yeah, not exactly the best three, but folks. But again, yeah, again, sorry about that. But again, I personally love Okoye, and it's a great looking stats jersey, folks. Yep, we pulled a few Okoyes. I don't think we've ever pulled the a stats jersey for them. Just to show you, it is a replica. Who has Kansas City? Who has Kansas City? That is Ryan H. Bud. There you go. That is gonna wrap up that three boxers. Again, maybe not the hugest of three boxers, folks. Let's get on to some better hits for you all. That's all that means. Next one's going to be nasty, folks. Join us at breakers.tv.